Patlu, my stomach is crying. Where are the samosas?
Motu, you just had 6 samosas.
That was breakfast. Now it's lunchtime.
I have it.
Motu, these samosas are delicious, but look what you made me do.
Oh, Patlu, it's just a little mess.
In Furfuri Nagar, it is impossible to escape from the law and from flying samosas.
Motu, you ate my invention.
Not invention, invitation. Samosa invitation.
Patlu, I'm so hungry. Where's the food?
Motu, it's a potluck. Everyone will bring something. What did you bring?
I brought an empty plate so I can fill it with samosas.
Andre, I have brought my special rocket curry. One bite and you will fly high.
Perfect. I'll eat first.
Motu, no.
Patlu, I smell samosas. Where are they?
Motu, focus. Today is the Furfuri Nagar potluck party. Everyone has to bring a dish.
This is a party, not a crime scene.
Eat, but with discipline. Try my rocket curry. One bite and you'll feel well.